So they two collapse, they do business, abi.
Share this money. Share this money. Let me leave here. Share this money.
Hey! Oh, no, please, I don't.
Small but mighty. Come and patronize me. Come and buy your small but mighty. It's small but it's working wonders. It's working perfectly.
Okay, shut up. You dey disturb neighborhood. Wetin be small but mighty?
Wetin be your own? Nah, I just dey do my own business. So wetin happen?
Which kind of business they go stand? Small tell me the business I go buy.
Okay, you wan buy abi?
I go buy now.
Hey, that's what you will tell me now. See, this small but mighty is working wonders. It's working perfectly. In case you don't know, if I give you this thing now, for you to have a good confidence in what you want to buy, continue. We see the work now. It's small but it's working perfectly.
You mean na?
May I give you?
Give me.
Small but mighty. You never know anything. Child. Small but mighty. You will see the work. No. Trust me.
Okay, now look at you.
You will see the work. Small but mighty.
Fine boy. Looking fresh. Wow. I feel like dashing you money. Please just send me your account number. Send me 5,000 naira.
Just like that. God bless you. You go born twins.
Don't worry.
195.
Okay. 195.
It's working perfect.
20.
19.
Small but mighty.
54.
54.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
I receive am.
I tell you that.
God bless you. You can share see now. How much they say this the full bag of the drug of the small but mighty? This one too small because this one na only 5,000 naira give me. I want to gain like 1 million a day. Really big one.
Don't worry, it's not too cost now. If you have 150,000 naira, I will give it to you.
150,000.
Yes. Small but mighty.
Come on, where they go? the money big sha. I give 100,000 naira cash for here. I give 100,000 cash.
No problem. No problem. You can bring it. No problem.
Small but mighty. It's working wonders.
I'm oga money o. My oga, you see, this time I don't give am for bank. But I know say if I go reach bank, I don't work like 2 million. The way things they go, give me, man, they go.
Small but mighty.
Thank you, sir.
Take the phone. It's working perfectly. Bye, oga.
Where the house address? I need.
Don't worry.
You are not a bad.
Small but mighty. We really make mistakes today. How would I go take shade you money?
Okay, what do you mean by that? It's 50-50 now.
50 for where?
I don't understand.
You see the kind shout where they shout for you. Say I will give 50,000. No, down, no.
Okay, yeah, down. Please share this money 50-50. Let me leave.
No.
Share this money 50-50.
See.
What do you mean by that?
See.
90.
I will give you 20,000 naira.
20,000 naira.
20% out of the money.
Self.
What do you do?
I was the one that transferred the money to the guy to make him understand that the business is.
Am I not the one that gave you the 5,000 naira?
Oh, you are mad. Please share this money 50-50.
No, I cannot accept that one.
Now this guy, I say fake dog, give me. I say I go use and make money.
You don't know what
Oh, even the one with this guy, abi. So they two collapse, they do business, abi.
Share this money. Share this money. Let me leave here. Share this money.
Hey! Oh, no, please, I don't. Oh.
What? No be juju be that. Funke! Reach watch and cup of tea o.